Hey, what's up guys? Today we got some amazing news on Nio. I will also show you guys my Nio option play that I'm holding right now, and I will be talking about my current challenge on Robinhood. Alright, let's get started. In this channel, I will be showing you guys different plays you could make to grow your portfolio, to grow your wealth. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's take a look at the Nio delivery numbers. Alright, they are in. For the month of December 2020, Nio has delivered 7,007 cars. Alright, that is amazing. And guys, that would be a 120% increase from year over year. And for the fourth quarter of 2020, the last 3 months, that's an increase of 120% from year over year. That is amazing, guys. The whole year 2020, Nio delivered about 43,728 cars. So they are increasing their numbers every month, guys. Guys, I have been watching Nio since early January 2020. The stock was actually trading for around $3.60. And by the end of the year, they ballooned to $57. And on the last trading day on December 31st, Nio traded around $48. Here's what's going on, guys. Nio have Nio days coming up on January 8th. That's the end of next week. And guys, that is a major catalyst for the run-up of the price right now. Plus, we just have amazing delivery numbers. So I'm expecting Nio to go up maybe another 5 to 10% for this week. So for those of you guys who have been holding, that is good for you. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you my current option play with Nio. I actually took a small option play last Thursday on Nio. It was a small play, day trade in and out. I bought a 5 contract for like $100. It increased by 160%. I got in and out. And then for this Nio day, I took 3 contract that I'm currently holding. The expiration date is this Friday. So this delivery news is actually great for me. That will help push up the price. And obviously, I can't hold on to this contract. I'm hoping to gain another 5 to 10%, and I will be selling it, guys. With the battery swap technology that they have, I think this is a great advantage of Nio. You don't necessarily have to buy a new car. You could swap your battery for a longer lasting battery, guys, as the technology progress. And on Nio Day, they're also gonna talk about the new sedan that they are putting out. This is great for the Chinese market, guys. Right now, Nio is only offering SUVs, so I think this sedan will be huge for them. And I'm expecting Nio sales to go up, guys. So I am starting this challenge on Robinhood to grow my small account to 100K. I will be trading options, stocks, and different cryptocurrencies. I would like you guys to follow my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will put out videos every week to show you guys how to grow your small account, different option plays you can take, cryptocurrency, stock. If you have any question for me, don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to answer your question. Alright, that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.